Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So in addition to yesterday's update, there isn't too much more to update. We've got our support area. Ethereum did drop further into the orange box. It so far reversed here at the 50% retracement. The move up currently looks corrective, so I'm still watching if we can get another low possibly. As long as we're holding basically 1660, everything is fine. What happens if we drop below 1660? Then we will certainly have more support here around the 1610 level. And if we drop below that level, then we have to have a conversation about, all right, is this just, is the entire move up a wave one? Yeah, this is a different scenario. So at the moment I have labeled it as 2-1-2 setups, a wave one up, wave two down, wave one up, wave two down. But this 1-2-1-2 setup will get unlikely below 1660. Below 1660, it will open the possibility that all of this was a wave one. This would not look too good because on the Ethereum chart, it would then look pretty much like a three-wave structure, to be honest, to a degree. Yeah, it's not great, but it's acceptable. In this scenario, we can certainly drop a little lower. It's a bit related to the Bitcoin scenario, which is very similar. And in this scenario, we could drop to around 1606 and 1471. This is sort of the range that we then talk about, yeah? But for now, we go and see if Ethereum can hold the orange support box. And only below 1662, we can talk about, all right, is it going to drop into this box, which I'm going to take off the chart again, not to confuse people, but this would be, again, between the 50% retracement and the 78.6 retracement between 1606 and 1470, basically, with a golden ratio at 1550. But again, we're not there yet. Just want to show you what happens if, so that you're prepared, because obviously I can't make a video every half an hour, just that you are prepared and can factor that in for your risk management. But for now, we're holding that support area, and yeah, for me it looks as if maybe one more low will do the trick. Let's go to the 30-minute chart, and I'm going to just explain to you the lower degree structure here. It's similar to yesterday's structure. I just made a little change, and that change was needed due to the strength. Well, it's not a serious rally, but it's quite a long wave four. Yesterday I had labeled it a little bit differently, and we had a triangle labeled, and the move down started off the 1831 high. But then this move up doesn't really fit in very well. So I've just labeled it as a flat pattern now, with the C wave still ongoing. And it could do with one more low. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, I'm looking at maybe the golden ratio at 1701 or the 78.6 retrace at 1662. It's now in resistance as per this count. This is the area which is relevant for a fourth wave between the 38.2 retracement, which is actually the ideal target for a fourth wave, and the 50%, which is also okay for a fourth wave. It's only above 1772 that it will get questionable. Is it still really a wave 4? It would then technically still count as a wave 4 until we break into the wave 1 price region, and then it would be officially invalidated. And there we talk about 1782. So in an impulsive wave structure of a C wave, the wave 4 should see a reaction between 1759 and 1773, 1772, plus minus $1. It depends on the exchange to a degree. That's sort of what I'm watching out for. And then this move down could take us to one of these FIB levels. Again, bear in mind that above the 50% retracement, things might get a little bit more bullish. And certainly if we break above the 1830 level, we might have to talk about a real bullish breakout to the upside. But for now, the orange support area is holding. Doesn't look like the move to the downside is finished. It looks unfinished. Maybe one more low, but then I'd like to see a rally in a third wave. Now again, condition for that is to hold that 1662 level. And yeah, maybe with one more low, we will also see a lower low on the price chart, but a higher low on the indicators, developing those divergences that are part of a bottoming process. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.